Hello, my name is Mary Toll. I'm Head of Quality and Customer Service at Croke Consulting Limited, both in the UK and in Ireland. I'm here with Colin O'Brien from Croke Park, and we're going to discuss about sustainability within Croke Park and ISO 2012-1. Thanks, Colin, for taking time out your busy schedule for this interview. So, how did you hear about ISO 2012-1?
Yeah, ISO 2012-1 we would have heard of on the back of the London Olympics in 2012. So they were the first, I suppose, sporting body to be certified to the standard. And I think it was pretty much written for the Olympics. So I think like most venues, we would have heard of it off the back of the Olympics in London 2012. And that's where I suppose our want and our need to be certified to the standard came from as well.
Moving on from that, what was the driving force for Croke Park to implement ISO 2012-1?
Yeah, well, we've always been big into sustainability, really, back as far as 2007. So we wanted to make sure our events were replicating that, and that we were running our events in a sustainable way. So the standard 2012-1, I suppose it made sense to get certified to show all our stakeholders that we're doing the right thing, we're running our events in a responsible way, and that they're leaving a lasting legacy when it came to environmental, social and economic impacts.
And that's a big thing, your legacy, and not to be greenwashing. So moving on from that, what was the benefits for Croke Park in doing ISO 2012-1?
Yeah, I think getting certified to 2012-1, it showed people that we're doing the right thing. That we're running our events in a responsible manner, in a sustainable way, and that the environmental impact of our events is as little as possible. Through the certification process, through the frameworks of the standard, they ensure that we're doing all that.
Brilliant, brilliant. So, Colin, as you've gone through this journey yourself with ISO 2012-1, what would your top tips be for anybody that's about to go on this journey within their business and implement ISO 2012-1?
I think you need to find out where you're at the moment and where you need to go. So definitely doing a gap analysis with somebody like Crowberry Consulting would be a starting point. I think some of the standards can be difficult to understand. They're probably not written in plain English for someone who hasn't got
the lingo.
Who hasn't got the lingo or the understanding of implementing one of these standards. So it's good to have someone there to hold your hand or to guide you through the whole process. And Crowberry we've worked with in the past in doing something similar, so certainly be a good starting point.
Okay. Colin, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to do this interview and telling us all about what Croke Park is doing within sustainability.
Thanks, Mary.
Thank you.